pathlib.Path.rename silently overwrites existing files. No warning, no confirmation. One line can erase your data forever. Here's how to avoid that trap. Imports the path class from the pathlib module to enable object-oriented file system path manipulation. Imports the OS module to access operating system dependent functionality, including file operations via os.replace. Instantiates a path object representing the file target.txt in the current working directory. Instantiates a path object representing the file source.txt in the current working directory. Writes the string I exist already to the file represented by target using pathlib.Text, which creates or overwrites the file. Writes the string new content to the file represented by source using pathlib.Text, which creates or overwrites the file. Begins a try block to attempt renaming source to target, which will fail if target already exists. Calls the rename method on the source path object to rename the file it points to into the path represented by target, overriding target if supported by the operating system. Prints the message rename succeeded if the rename operation completes without raising an exception. Catches any exception instance raised during the rename attempt to handle failures uniformly. Prints the error message rename failed followed by the exception type, name extracted via type, name __, to standard output. Calls unlink on target to delete the file target.txt, clearing it before the second test. Overwrites source.txt with the string new content again using write_text to ensure source contains the expected test data. Starts another try block to attempt replacing target with source using the OS module function os.replace. Calls os.replace with source and target as arguments to atomically replace the file target with source if target exists. Prints the message os.replace succeeded if os.replace completes without raising an exception. Catches only file exists error specifically, which would occur on platforms where os.replace does not overwrite existing files without explicit handling. Prints os.replace file exists if os.replace raises file exists error indicating the target file already existed. Always prefer os.replace when you need to avoid accidental overwrites. Subscribe for daily coding videos to master Python's hidden pitfalls.